Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatah Muhammad. I am from Group 5. So I want to present for the part 2 in the projects. So I will start from the code first. So in here in data we define the variables from the output message, and also this is for the message when the user want to enter the number of loopings, and also this is another message. This is the output message which will display like uh, the time for the executions, and also the difference between the start and the end time, and so on. And then this is the initial value for the sum. This is will be used uh, in the polynomial operations. So we initialize the sum by 0, and also this is the coefficient for the polynomial operations. So this is based on the date of our member teams, so 9, 9, 30, 10. And then this is the the initialization for the start time, end time, and diff time without any values. So this will be changed during the execution. So we start, and then we continue to the code. So first we display the message to the user, like the welcome message, uh, and also this is when the user type the number of loops for the benchmark execution. And then this is another message, and then this is when we use the get m seconds to calculate the the duration of the execution. So we assign the start time into the register AX, and also for the loop num from the user input, so we assign it into the counter register ECX, and then we define the 0 to the sum, and then the loop is stopped. So first we define the the power of x in the the polynomial operations. So in here ACAX, this is for x, and then IMUL is this the multiplication for the unsigned value. So this is for the x power of the 2, and then we IMUL again with the previous x power of 2, which is x power of 3. So we both have the x power of 2 and x power of 3 here. And then we uh, we make the operation in here. So in here we move the coefficients, and also we times it by the x value, which is x is like the iteration, like from 0 until the end of loop. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. And then this is times by coefficient 1, times by the coefficient 2 for the x power of 2, I think, and then times by coefficient 3 and coefficient 4. And then lastly, it will sum, uh, the result will be uh, assigned, will be put into the sum variable, and then we increment the counter, and then we loop start again. And then after all the operation is finished, after all the loop is finished, so we call get m seconds again, and then we can know the when is the end time, and then we move the end time, and then to the register, and then we subtract the start time with the end time, and we got the different time. For the result, we can display into the output. You see In here using the call word string for the result message, and also this is we what we display the start time, and also we display uh, the end time, and also we display the difference, we display the sum of the operations, and another uh, output message. And then we can start to get proven of this, so we can run the code. You see, so for example, um, we want to uh, 50. Okay, wait, and then this is the result. So this is the first captured execution in time, and then this is the second capture, and then this is the difference of execution time, and then also we got the final value of sum for the 50 loops. So this is the result for the benchmark for this PC in our assembly programs. That's all from us. Thank you.